Okay. Just wait for the instructions, guys.
Okay. So, okay na?
4 against 5?
Isa na sa pag-instruction na Nicky mag-English mag-utagot.
Kulang isang meter.
Dito. Ako lang isa.
Ang uban mo face na to.
Kulang isa dyan. Si Jacob na lang, si Jacob oh. Si Jacob diya ka.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Face backward. Nanak ka mo.
Oh, katong dili kayo leader, talikod. If you feel like you're not the leader, turn to your turn to your back.
Tagalog, turn to your back.
Okay, so this game is
Your turn about face.
masakit yung tawagan ni mo.
This game is all about
action relay.
Kanang sayo na.
Oh, sayon ra kay Gismil raman po ng premium. Oh, okay. 10,000 raman ang price ani, so dapat the price is 10,000 but not dollars. So. Okay. Okay, so Jaden and Chloe is the leader. So Alexa and Ben is the last person to receive the action. So they will come here in front and do the action. If it's correct, you'll receive 10,000. No tax, tax-free. No, tax-free. With DTI representative, okay? If it's wrong, you will dance here, huh? If it's wrong, you will dance here, okay? Okay, so those who are not leader, face, turn around.
Face me,
Turn around. Okay. Okay, ah. Ben, you turn around, Ben, ah. Okay. This is the action, ah.
No cheating.
Okay. All judges are okay. Okay.
Damay gamay oh.
Oh, Chloe, are you okay? Okay, are you ready? One at a time ang mutoyo ka. Oh, tap at the shoulder. If you're ready, you can tap on the next shoulder na side. Okay, you can do it, Bea. Bea, you can do it.
Okay, the first one.
Always right.
Okay, wait lang. Wala pa rin dito na sakto na.
Let's wait for the other Ben.
Let's wait for Ben. Okay. Come here, Ben. Come here. Okay, what's the action? Oh, no!
What is this?
Ang original.
How about
Let's show the original.
The original is
Right, left, right.
The group here got the correct answer, so you can get your 10,000 each here. Maybe mama 10,000 each. Oh, the group who didn't get, you will dance here.
The loser.
Okay, what song are you gonna dance?
the
What song?
DJ will pick the song.
Dali. Yeah. Oh, dali, bro. Magkanta sila. Bini ko no, salamin, bini. Salamin nila mo. Dali, linya.
Sayaw sila?
Oh,
Sayo sila, salamin. Bini. Bini, salamin. Tunga. Ben, you go in the middle. Okay. There. Oh, Jacob.
Okay, go back.
Okay. Go Ben, you lead your group, ha? Okay, hold on sa kay search pa sa music. Listen kay inyong music good kanang.
Kat pa. Kat na.
Okay. Kita na. Okay guys, okay. A round of applause please.
Come on!
Dili ka sabi. Iyang kuhaon ng 50 pesos from the person na nagpindi. Two. Onya, dalawa. Pwede siya ka ng winner takes all ni siya. So until maabot ta sa one pair na lang, siya mo'y mudawat sa kwarta. Pasalamat ta sa tanang sponsor sa atong family reunion. Salamat kayo sa tanang sponsor. Kaya dili yun may tabo ang game na financial o wala mo mga sponsor. Okay.
Ang sobra arete.
Wait. 3, 6, 7, 8.
Partner.
3, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Face your partner.
Okay, face your partner. O niya, forward mo gamay sa inyong partner.
What is the English of bato-bato pig?
Bato-bato pick is rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wow. There is no
Okay. Oh, trial.
Holding hands or anak round?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Ano lang? 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Okay. Tuwid sa. Bato, pick. Oh,
Yun.
balik ka. Uy, tipay. Listen, ha. Bato, pick.
I'm sorry, but it's
Oh.
but who big?
Okay.
Real life.
Bato fake.
Okay. Okay, konsa kanang trial. Okay, hands forward. Ay, kana hand forward. Hand forward.
Fist forward.
Fist forward. Okay. Bato, pick. Oh, kana, di ba?
Out na
diba?
kabinsoy.
Di ba? Out na kabinsoy. Out na ka. Unta. Pero 2 wins man.
2 wins.
Okay, so play na.
Final.
Is this real?
Yes, this is a real game.
Already, this is a real game.
Real game na ha. No more bonus round, okay?
Final round.
Right minus wrong ha, okay? Bato, pick! Baby. One more. Oh, best of two. Kalma lang. You can still redeem yourself ha. Kalma lang.
Anisay.
Anisay lang ta guys.
Be honest to yourself.
Kita may dog.
Okay.
One.
One, okay.
Best of
Always
3.
remember your score, ha? Always remember your score.
Anisay lang, anisay.
Okay.
Ready?
Fist forward, ready? Bato, pick! Okay, 1-1.
Tabla pa ko ba?
Pindin na siya Tiapol. Tabla pa.
Jaden
Tabla na siya Tiapol. Jaden is waiting.
Waiting ka, Jaden.
Waiting.
Kuha niyang kwarta.
Tayo pa mo. Sige, okay. 1-0 na to naman to. Okay guys. I'm just testing you. If you are still in the zone. Okay. Fist forward. Bato, pick. Wala pa. Kanang nag-top lang, kalma. Ang katong daog diri na waiting, ari diri sa akong side, sa akong right side. Palihog ta sa mga waiting diri sa right side. Okay. Forward. Okay, fist forward. Bato, pick. Pwede si Binsay.
Pildi Binso.
Pitam na pag-abot.
Open ni daog ninyo, Alex.
Forward. Sige mo na sila tabla. Okay. Bato, pick. Wala pag-abot sa mga. Okay guys. Okay, bato, patay. Okay. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Pili ka ba?
Okay, 2
Okay, 2 lines. Again, 2 lines. Distribute yourself evenly.
4x4.
Amoy Paris.
No.
5x5. 6x6. Kisa may line pildi.
Isa may live build na.
Mama Minda. Okay.
Okay, don't choose your opponent. Okay, best of 2. Best of 2 ka po na. Okay. Fist forward. Bato, pick. Tabla. Kalma lang.
Excited din siya.
Okay. Oh, no singing of bad words, okay? Many kids. Okay.
Parental guidance.
Parental guidance must be one.
Prohibited.
Okay. Fist forward. Wow. Bato, pick. Daog na si Mama Min. Ang katong daog. Ang katong ni proceed sa stage 3. Sa akong right side.
1-1 pa ba?
Oh, forward.
1-1-0.
1-0 pa na sila. Kaya tabla man sila pa. Okay. Bato, pick. Oh. Tabla pa mo? Okay. Bato, pick. Pwede si Jaden. Kasama na ninyo asin. Tabla pa mo?
Yay.
Inyo, wala.
Kailan mo 200?
Oh, right side. Katong nadaog na right side. Okay. Bato, pick. Mana ko ba?
Kumoda.
Okay, distribute yourself evenly.
Toppers.
2x2.
2x2. No picking of kuhan ha, opponent. No picking of opponent. No donation. Donation.
Nana sa Article 105.
Madaot ta sa itong DTI representative. Nag-video naman itong DTI Donate mo din ha. Okay. Fist forward. Bato, pick. 1-0. Tabla pa sila tipay. Okay. Bato, pick.
Goodbye, play.
Balik. Nama guys, no side comments. Don't
Grabe yung kasrik ko ni mo.
side comments. Okay. Bato, pick. 1-0.
For you.
Redeem yourself, redeem.
Okay, okay.
Redeem. Bato, pick! Ah, 1-1. Tabla mo.
1-1 pa po, 1. Kabo, 1-1 sa
1-0.
1-0.
Bato, pick! Oh.
1-1 sa
1-1 ba? 1-1 sila po. Okay. Kasi mami, gusto na manumpa. Dili physical. Relax lang mami. Nasaya na ba? Matura ba ang lawayan? Ano ko? Kalma lang. Okay. Bato, pick! Tabla, balik. Okay. Bato, pick! Hindi na si Blink, ako si Mami. Oh, tabla si Mami. Okay.
Waiting.
Bato, pick! Hindi si Tipay. Sino mo na.
Apo,
No donation ha, even though she's your apo. No donation.
You can donate it to me.
You can return back the 50, no donation. Okay.
Championship.
Bato, pick! Toge po to. 1-0. What?
Ready?
Kalma lang mo. Come on na lang. Okay. Face forward. Bato, pick! Balik. Bato, pick! Oh, 1-1. No donation. Okay. Okay, ganun pa mo game so mga 3, 6, 7. Asa ba ko sa ninyo, Dri?
Yan siya.
7 to, 8 na mo. So mo na inyong grupo sa longest line, ganito magsugod. 3, 6, 7. Balan Dri lang isa. 8, okay. Asa mo ta magsugod siya, Dri? Okay, so linya mo, Dri. Atong longest line kay why limit?
Ato dito?
Antod brief pra.
Noy.
Antod brief.
Ato dito no.
Ayaw lang dito eh. Oh, longest line. O kung sara inyong nadala mo rin pwede ha. Kuto bra sa brief. Panty o bra ang last. Mora.
Dito na yun.
Diya dito na lang diya.
Pwede.
Proceed ta sa sun.
Okay, dito sa saan guys. Okay.
Pwede gamit. Yung dala nyo lang ngayon. Is allowed. Is allowed. No more bringing of things, guys. Bawal na po magdala ng mga... Timer is 1 minute ha.
1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute ha. 1 minute.
Isa ka 1 minute.
Okay. Ready na? Okay, timer starts. Now go. Go.
Pas.
Go.
You can only use what you have
Go.
on your body. On your body, and the leading group is Group 1. Grabe naman yan! Hanggang Kantilan up to Marihatag.
Okay, 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining.
Grabe na ko kanig price kay grabe ang paningkamot. Sige guys, punta kayo dun guys. Okay.
10 seconds na lang. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Bawal na baliw ka. Bawal baliw.
Okay, trial pa na.
Trial ito to. Trial. Okay, hulong sa alam mo. Ayaw sa magliwag kaya amo pa mag-inspection doon. Na-connect ba tanan ang inyong ibang butang? Okay?
Okay.
Oh, pwede na rin lagi. Wala ba connect? Wala ba connect? Ang usa diri ang shades. Okay na kinanginan na daw.
Okay, let's check, no? Kakita mo ng panty din niya. Okay, let's check. Pagpalayo ko kuwag mitrosan. Grabe!
Dog ang left side! Dire!
Trial pa na, trial.
Okay, trial.
Linya, naibayad diri sa snack. Winners, linya ta diri. Palantag pa din sa inyong mga brief.
Wait, kuhan. Pure. Stick na stick.
Labaw na ko sa katsanilas.
Blame. Blame. Na deal.
Size 8.
Claim your pride.
Okay, winners! Dire, linya. Kung kailangan mo mag-claim sa inyong prize.
50.
Ang winners, may sunod na lang.
Worth of merchandise. With free ticket from Jet2 Holiday. Mapadawat ko sa kasako-sako gikan sa Sako Company. Constellation prizes would be
Consolation prizes will get 1 sack of bubble gum inusap daan gikan sa TV Pavilion.
Tanda pa tayo sa itong committee, huwag na may consolation eh.
usa ka sa akong
Ang
prize
sa ko na nimo kay sa winner naman. Asa ba na nanay consolation? Wala ko na consolation, ikaw ng BPI representative.
Oy, pagdaan na upuan kay
Okay, grabe din na competition kay kay BPI representative. Okay, moving on. The first contender for the boys. Is it the boys? Boys, Bradley!
Bradley. Marshall.
Bradley.
Dara, Bradley.
Dara. Okay, boys naman. Boys. Okay, Bradley. Stand here.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Okay. Kapas! Okay.
Ato magkanitulong.
Okay, Bradley, where are you from?
I'm from Melbourne, Australia.
Okay. Shout out from Melbourne, Australia. Okay, what is your motto in life?
Always give your all.
Okay. Will you give your all today?
Every day.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Ready na pare?
Okay na.
Ako pa din
Sorry.
mo sa number.
Noy. Noy. Noy, ato magkanito, Noy.
Oh, you stand here. Here. Ready? You will stand here. And there's the mic. You check the mic first. Okay.
Sometimes they're soft. The phone is not giving you score. It's loud.
Test.
Not too loud.
She can kill with a smile, she can rule with her eyes. She can ruin your faith with her casual lies. And she always reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. She She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but she'll never believe. And she'll take what you give her as long as it's free. And she steals like a thief, but she's always a woman to me. She takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. And and she never gives out. And she never gives in. She just changes her mind. And she'll promise you more than the Garden of Eden. And she'll carelessly cut you and laugh while you're bleeding. But she'll bring out the best and the worst you can be. Blame it all on yourself, 'cause she's always a woman to me. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. And when she never gives out, and she never gives in, she just changes her mind. She's frequently kind and she's suddenly cruel. She can do as she pleases, she's nobody's fool. And she can't be convicted, she's earned her degree. And the most she will do is throw shadows at you, but she's always a woman to me.
Okay, thank you, Bradley. Let's hear your score.
90 for Bradley Park.
Okay. Okay. May we call on the first contestant for the girls, Auntie Apple. Auntie, how are you feeling today? Nervous, no choice? Okay.
Dito lang may tubon. Auntie Apple, use that.
I am the queen. Bradley is the king and I am the queen.
Ate, anong ginawa mo pag-prepare dito sa ano? Okay!
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa ngayon, ako'y hanggan at yakapin. Oh,
wonderful performance.
Okay. Oh, di ba? Kahit maputi na ang 100. Oh, di ba? Oh. Mana na diharon. Dihara ang laay. Oh, na 100. Napukus pa ganun si Auntie ito. Wala siyang magawa. Na 100. Yun lang. Yun lang. Maliit na bagay, 100. Okay. We will call on the second performer for the boys. Isa man second. Uncle Jerry, right? Oh, Uncle Jerry. Uncle Jerry.
Wala ba kayong mga
Oh, Jerry?
Thank you for standing up, Uncle Jerry.
Thank you, Uncle Jerry. Oh, second. Isa to second sa boys. Uncle Jerry lagi pa rin.
Ay, special nila.
Ah, so sige. Ako sa may third.
Si Manong Neil lagi, Manong Neil.
Uncle Neil.
Ay, nga nung mga limbong mata.
Ah, si Uncle Neil. Pakpak, pakpak. Pakpak. Uncle, what is your motto in life?
What is your motto in life?
My motto in life, Honda.
Okay. Oh, what ka ba mo? 101 na rin.
Awa, ma. Sorry. Good taste mo ni man.
Oh, solitaire. Play.
There was a man, a lonely man, lost his love, his dream. A heart that's held, that will share, and until it dies within the silence, and solitude's the only game in town. In every moment takes some time. And by himself, it's easy to pretend that never loved him. And keeping to himself, he plays the game without the love will always see his way. While life goes on around him, everywhere he's playing solitaire. Goes up smooth, just how it goes without saying. There was a man, and only man, who would command
score rin, no? Pila kay score? Okay.
And the score is...
Lisura, anyway. Lisod kayo. Lisod kayo, dude. Wala ko kasabutan eh. Kasaon man eh. O sa man niya ako sa map subdivision eh. Lisura, anyway. Okay. Kalisod na eh.
Hindi.
Next.
Alam mo na kung anong brand ang kinakanta kanina.
Oh, ang second performer sa girls. Isa mo ni? Hindi si Chloe pa. Oh, Kunika na eh. Kasi yung Kunika na eh. Pare!
Ay, ang inyong ipasuot nurse man sa di na mabasa ng nurse.
Okay. Kunika.
Monica.
Ano mo na eh? 8-6 na? 8-6 na? Adres, kano? Hi, Kunika. Asa ka kikan, Kunika?
CDO.
Ah, okay. So, isa may mong motto in life?
Ha? Kuhan. White is black.
Wow, ano. Kung sa may preparations yung mong gibuhat para kanina?
Back out nung tako, 100 naman sila, oy.
Gusto kita si Auntie Apple, 100. Si Uncle Neil,
Back out na
100.
ako, eh.
Si Bradley, 98.
Sabi niya ako kay 75.
Uy, wala takabaw! Wala takabaw! Napukus pa to si Auntie Apple na to, 100.
Bakara na ata.
Oo. Okay. Ready na ka?
Sige na lang.
Oh, ready na daw.
Sige na lang, oy. Tatibayan na lang, oh.
Dapat mo ito bang gidiriha kay ang
Ay.
demonetize na naman. Oh, live ko na si Mama Bugs. Pag-live mo ha.
Sa piling ko
Uy, grabe ka.
75.
Grabe ka, Kuan. Ulo.
Grabe yan, competition eh.
Grabe. Sikit kayo ang mga score.
Grabe ka, competitive.
Salamat kayo, Konika. Grabe, nakahilak yun eh. Nakahilak yun, grabe. Okay. 95 ang score ni Konika. Ang score to beat is 100 sa girls, 100 sa boys. So atong tawgon ang ikatulo sa lalaki.
30.
Si 30. Uncle 30.
Okay.
Oh, yung mga Col. Dili daw, Col, i-adjust na to kaya ako sa ka-DTI. Di siya musugot masikat.
Ipaulahin ko ng
Okay,
senior.
paulahin ko ng senior.
Kung sa kaon, iyon na, pero sa kanta, ulahin na nila.
Okay, ang kantahan ni Uncle 30 is... Col, ano sa mali mong i-prepare? Ay, ano yung ginawa mong preparation para sa event na to? Uminom ng luya. Oh, ano yung motto in life mo? Keep cool. Yeah. Keep cool. Ano kagandahan ni Uncle, pare?
7.
Keep cool.
3.
Yan? Oh. Good luck, Uncle!
Starsky.
One night, it's written in the moonlight, embedded on the stars. We can change us. Don't give up on us, baby. We're still worth one more try. I know we put a last one by. Just for the rainy evening.
all, kaya pasig 100 ka. Tiebreaker ha! Tiebreaker! Wala pa si Uncle Jerry na 100 na. Sus,
101 ikaw nga Uncle Jerry siguro. Anya na pa ato siyang pagkatahon ang duha ka girls.
Okay. Ang next sa babae is Chloe. Chloe. Oh, yung mama diri. Stage mother kay yung mama.
Mother tayo.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, listen to Uncle Herbie. Chloe, where are you from?
I'm from Cebu, but I live in New Zealand.
Oh, you make donate of the microphone. Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Yup.
Okay.
Sorry.
Ang tikin po na lang din.
Okay.
O saan man yung tulo ka? 100 anti-mark.
You should add the girls and the boys' score, so it's like the family's total score.
Okay.
Very good idea.
I haven't know that. I haven't thought about that.
That's okay. You can take it to your elders. Hey, a
Oh.
reaper. A few stolen moments is all that we share. You got your family and they need you there. Though I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer. But that's just an old fantasy. I've got to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that old feeling when you walk through that door. 'Cause tonight is the night for feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through.
So the technical difficulties, wala na ba tayo rules ato? Basta ako dito. Pwede bitingan sa DTI kaya wala tayo rules ato.
Sorry, but nag-change power to. Change power.
6 to 6.
Basta mo to. Ate, repeat.
Repeat performance.
Repeat. Repeat. Okay.
Question for trivia. How many family members are named Rod? Asang price?
Surprise pa.
Hold on. Lolo Jerry said 7. Okay.
I
Name them.
thank you very much for your kind consideration.
I wanna run. Basta 7.
It's not 7. I just made you do that for fun. What did you say, sister? Okay, name them. Okay, you can both get a prize. Kay daghan ang prize. It's actually 5. Rod Anthony, Rod Michael, Rod Raymond, Rod Barry, and his son Rod. 6 if we count Rod Barry's father, Rodrigo.
Rodrigo!
Okay, you can both get a prize. I said a prize.
Hey, give it up for Chloe.
3. Thank you everyone for your questions. 3.
Okay, one more. One more time.
Thank you.
Okay.
$100.
$100. Patay. Okay, ang scoring as of now, Bradley 98, Auntie Apple 100, Uncle Neil 100, Konika 95, Uncle 30 100, Chloe 100.
Alex and Chloe.
Okay. Okay. Next is proceed sa sa babae. Kay niingon ang taga-diti ay na last jud kuno siya na lalaki. Okay. Kisa na sunod? Banda. We will wait.
You interview the...
Uncle Jerry, you wait. Okay? Last si Uncle Jerry.
Amanda! There.
Calling Amanda.
All I wanna do when I wake up in the morning is see your eyes. Rosanna.
Wala kayo in English pa rin.
Wala na ko English.
What is your name and why?
What is my name?
This one.
What are the parts of an atomic bomb?
3.
3, 0, 7, 2, 2.
What is
Game.
Okay, go.
Okay, good luck.
You ready?
Amanda, you put your mic here.
Oh, okay. Right here. Thank you.
That's the...
Oh, okay. Gonna sit. Is that better?
Play.
Start.
I don't want to be back.
Yeah, you can.
Nanata sa atong pinakalas na contender. Kani. Juan Jundi. Caliber player gini. Varsity gini.
I will take this opportunity now to thank all my cousins, nephews, apos, nieces for coming here in Gantilan. Na-overwhelm ko sa ato attendance nga abot og 77. Most likely ato mga attendance 40 or something, 20 to 50. Pero kaman, grabe. So na-overwhelm ako. Na-ijo host kami ni Ruel. Bisan to matod pa di tataga din ni apan nagtaga din ni nagtaga doon. No, then naka-istorya kami ni Andy, naka-text kami ni Andy. Jay, nagkatungtong ka na itagimo ni Tiyo nga sumbok. Nako, ditagid ko Andy. Ang sumbok ni tatay, handwritten, gutik.
Kana may gamita kay ma-iskora na yan.
Oh, gutik tong tagsuwat ni tatay, 3 inches. 3 inches, grab down, then 4 inches, ang thickness niya is 2 inches. Basta pag tanaw na po nato na time is 100 songs, wa pa niya ka dugdungagi. Before siya napatay, naghimon sa si tatay o mga almost 20 songs. 100 ni tatay na to. Ambot 15 nakahipos yun, no? Ako ikaw si Kunika matay pa. Duha na ka baril ako giyuting kay wadyo big bagat. Si lalo sa buhasa ang butahin. Ang gunting ni Lula nga gihatag niya kang tatay nawa ko.
Imo na sayo.
Sakit na. Banago, abi pa na ako may bagyo ng ambot ako karato na kay push na.
Okay.
Para matubog na. Pero magkanta na ko.
Ang kanina mong kanta ko, nana dito sa kisuwat ko. Kanatang 3 inches by 4 inches thick.
Nadia.
Okay.
Original.
Okay, larga. Oy, buang.
O sama natin. Lahat pukik pa daw kimong bana. Magkuhan pa daw, mag-meeting pa daw ang taga-DTI. Mag-score pa sila. Kay lisod ko no kaayo. Kay daghan kay 100. Nga naman po magpa. Ang taga DTI.
Taga-provincial hospital.
Dito kay Manong daghan ni Kanta.